solar panel on the roof of that building around some estates in Nigeria. People have learned that you need alternative energy. There are places that have wind turbine, but let me zero in on this solar panel. You can see it is dusty, it is brown. The sun is very bright, but even at that, the solar panel is dusty. It's not working at top efficiency. So if you have to go into this work, as I advise a lot of young people to go into it, you must learn how to clean, market your services to clean the solar panels. We notice that when it gets very dirty, it looks like the battery is going. But if it's clean, it picks up. If you have this kind of solar panel, you may not have enough energy, so it causes issues.